Hello everyone, once again, we're in the bunkhouse bedroom. I messed up and forgot to hit record, so you missed coat 1 on the wall. But here's coat 2. I hope it is enjoyable for you as it was for me. Little color, you know, something different, so away we go. Alrighty, there's paint the wall. One less thing off the list. A bunch of stuff coming up. I'm going to get that countertop in, and I don't know, I gotta check the list of things to do. So, thanks for watching everybody. Take it easy. I'll catch you later.